We live in exciting times. The rapid advancements in technology are transforming the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. From the moment we wake up to the time we go to bed, AI is becoming an integral part of our daily routines. It's not just a futuristic concept anymore, it's here, and it's making a significant impact. Artificial intelligence is changing the world. In industries ranging from manufacturing to healthcare, AI is streamlining processes, enhancing productivity, and driving innovation. Imagine a world where machines can learn and adapt, making decisions faster and more accurately than humans ever could. This is the reality we are stepping into. It's like the invention of electricity, impacting every part of our lives. Just as electricity revolutionized the 20th century, AI is set to redefine the 21st century. The parallels are striking. Both technologies started with skepticism and limited applications, but quickly grew to become indispensable. Today, AI is powering everything from our smartphones to our cars, and its potential is limitless. AI is a powerful tool. It has the ability to analyze vast amounts of data, uncover patterns, and provide insights that were previously unimaginable. Businesses are leveraging AI to optimize their operations, reduce costs, and improve customer experiences. In warehouses, AI-powered robots are handling logistics with precision and efficiency, ensuring that products are delivered on time. It can help us solve big problems and create amazing businesses. Entrepreneurs are using AI to develop innovative solutions to some of the world's most pressing challenges. From climate change to healthcare, AI is enabling us to tackle issues that were once thought to be insurmountable. The possibilities are endless, and the potential for positive impact is enormous. This is a golden age for entrepreneurs. With AI at their fingertips, they have the tools they need to turn their visions into reality. Startups are thriving, and new business models are emerging, driven by the capabilities of AI. It's an exciting time to be an innovator, as the barriers to entry are lower than ever before. AI is creating new opportunities in every industry. Whether it's finance, retail, or entertainment, AI is opening up new avenues for growth and development. Companies are using AI to gain a competitive edge, offering personalized experiences to their customers and making data-driven decisions that lead to better outcomes. The impact of AI is being felt across the board. Whether you are a seasoned business owner or just starting, AI can help you succeed. The tools and resources available today make it easier than ever to integrate AI into your business strategy. From automating routine tasks to gaining deeper insights into customer behavior, AI can provide the support you need to grow and thrive in a competitive market. This guide will show you how to build a profitable business with AI. We'll explore the various ways AI can be applied, from improving operational efficiency to enhancing customer engagement. You'll learn about the latest trends and best practices, and hear from experts who have successfully harnessed the power of AI to drive their businesses forward. Get ready to unlock your potential. The journey ahead is filled with opportunities for those who are willing to embrace change and think creatively. AI is not just a tool, it's a catalyst for innovation and growth. By understanding its capabilities and learning how to leverage them, you can position yourself for success in the digital age. Let's dive into the world of AI and discover how to turn your innovative ideas into reality. Together, we'll explore the transformative power of AI and uncover the strategies that can help you build a successful, future-proof business. The AI revolution is here, and it's time to be a part of it. The first step in starting a successful AI business is to find a problem that AI can solve. This might sound simple, but it requires a deep understanding of both the technology and the industry you are targeting. Start by identifying common pain points or inefficiencies in various sectors. Look for areas where traditional methods fall short and where AI could offer a significant improvement. Think about your skills and passions. What industries excite you? Your personal interests and expertise can guide you towards a niche that you are not only knowledgeable about, but also passionate about. This passion will be crucial as it will keep you motivated through the challenges of building a business. Reflect on your past experiences and consider how they can be leveraged in the AI space. Where can AI make a difference? Look at industries that are already being transformed by AI, such as healthcare, finance, and education. But don't limit yourself to these areas. AI has the potential to revolutionize virtually any field. Think about how AI can be applied in new and innovative ways to solve problems that have not yet been addressed. Here are some areas ripe for AI disruption. Healthcare. AI can help doctors diagnose diseases faster and provide more personalized treatments. Imagine a world where AI algorithms can analyze medical images with greater accuracy than human doctors, or where AI can predict patient outcomes and suggest the best treatment plans. The potential for AI to improve patient care and reduce costs is enormous. Finance. AI can analyze financial data to detect fraud and provide better investment advice. AI can process vast amounts of data at lightning speed, uncovering patterns and insights that would be impossible for humans to detect. This can lead to more informed decision-making and better financial outcomes. Education. AI can personalize learning experiences for students of all ages and abilities. By analyzing student data, AI can tailor educational content to meet the unique needs of each learner, making education more effective and engaging. From intelligent tutoring systems to AI-driven educational games, the possibilities are endless. Don't be afraid to think outside the box. The most successful AI businesses often come from unconventional ideas. Consider how AI can be used in creative ways to solve problems that others might not have thought of. Innovation often comes from looking at things from a different perspective and challenging the status quo. The best AI business ideas solve real-world problems in creative ways. They leverage the power of AI to create solutions that are not only effective, but also innovative. By focusing on solving real-world problems, you can create a business that is both impactful and profitable. So take the time to find your niche and let your passion and creativity guide you towards success. Before you invest time and money, validate your idea. Talk to potential customers. Ask them about their pain points. Would an AI solution appeal to them? Conduct market research. Are there competitors? What are they doing well? What can you do better? Validation helps you refine your idea and reduce risk. It ensures you're building something people want. Now it's time to build your AI solution. This can seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be. You have several options. Build it yourself. If you have technical skills, you can develop your own AI models. Partner with experts. You can collaborate with AI developers and data scientists. Use AI platforms. Many platforms offer pre-built AI models and tools. No matter your approach, focus on creating a user-friendly solution that solves the problem effectively. Section 5. Data, the fuel for your AI engine. Data is crucial for AI. Your AI model needs data to learn and improve. The more data you have, the better your AI will perform. There are many ways to collect data. Public datasets. Many free datasets are available online. Web scraping. You can collect data from websites. Partnerships. You can partner with companies to access their data. Remember to ensure you collect and use data ethically and legally. Section 6. Launching your AI solution, making a grand entrance. Once your AI solution is ready, it's time to launch. Create a strong brand identity that reflects your values and resonates with your target audience. Choose the right platform to reach your customers. This could be a website, a mobile app, or an API. Make sure your launch is well planned and executed. Generate excitement and interest in your AI solution. Section 7. Marketing your AI, reaching your target audience. Marketing is essential for any business, especially AI businesses. In today's competitive landscape, it's not enough to have a groundbreaking product. You need to ensure that the right people know about it. This means identifying your target audience and tailoring your marketing efforts to meet their needs and preferences. You need to reach your target audience and communicate the value of your solution. Understanding who your potential customers are, what they care about, and how your AI solution can solve their problems is crucial. This involves market research, customer profiling, and creating detailed buyer personas. Content marketing is a powerful way to educate potential customers about AI. By creating valuable and informative content, you can position your brand as an authority in the AI space. This content can take many forms, including blog posts, videos, infographics, white papers, and case studies. Create blog posts, videos, and infographics that explain how your AI works and the benefits it offers. These pieces of content should be designed to address the pain points of your target audience and demonstrate how your AI solution can provide tangible benefits. Additionally, consider creating video tutorials and webinars that offer in-depth insights into your AI technology. These formats allow for a more interactive and engaging way to showcase your product's capabilities and answer any questions potential customers might have. Social media is another great way to connect with potential customers. Platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, and Facebook offer unique opportunities to reach a broad audience and engage with them directly. By sharing your content on these platforms, you can increase your brand's visibility and drive traffic to your website. Use social media to share your content, engage with followers, and build a community around your brand. Regularly posting updates, responding to comments, and participating in relevant discussions can help you establish a strong online presence and foster a loyal following. Building a community around your brand is essential for long-term success. Encourage your followers to share their experiences with your AI solution, provide feedback, and participate in discussions. This not only helps to create a sense of belonging, but also generates valuable user-generated content that can further promote your brand. Section 8. Scaling your AI business, reaching new heights. Once your AI business is up and running, focus on scalability. This means being able to handle increasing demand without sacrificing quality or efficiency. Cloud computing can help you scale your AI infrastructure as needed. You can also automate tasks to free up your team to focus on more strategic work. Section 9. Conclusion. Profiting from the power of AI. Building a successful AI business takes hard work and dedication, but the rewards are immense. By leveraging the power of AI, you can create a profitable and scalable business that makes a real difference in the world. Embrace the AI revolution. Find your niche, build a great solution, and market it effectively. The future of business is here, and it's powered by AI.